Okay, everybody, we're going to be using a Google document for this assignment. We have 5 different questions that we need to make corrections on, find different words, and build our language capacity. So again, there's 5 questions you need to answer each of them. So what you're going to do, we are going to be on slide 3. Hey, look, you're already here because there's a video of me talking. So the written directions say, first, you need to watch this video. You're going to click on that, and guess what? You're already here because you're watching me right now. Next, you need to go to your Google document assignment below this slideshow. It's going to be right here. Let's finish reading the instructions though. After that, complete all 5 of the questions. Finally, submit your work. So you're going to click on this document. It will bring up a Google Doc that looks just like this. You are going to correct these sentences. You're going to use capitalization, punctuation, and correct spelling when you correct them. So the first sentence is, my friend Mr. Murphy visited churches in Canada, China, and Japan. So using what you know about capitalization, punctuation, and spelling, you need to retype. How would you correct that sentence to make it perfect? You're not just making or typing out your corrections, you need to retype the entire sentence. The next sentence is, my dad gave the present to Pete and I. So what would I do to change to make that grammatically correct? Do I need to capitalize anything? Do I need to change some spelling of some words? And do I have any punctuation errors? What do you need to fix? The next question is, what is the past tense verb teach? So if I want to say teach, but it's in the past tense, what would I say instead of teach? Next question is, highlight the correct abbreviation of doctor. So which one of these is it? And then the last question is, highlight the adverb in this sentence. So touch the new puppy gently so you don't injure it. What is the adverb? You might have to look up, what does adverb mean? That's okay. If you don't know what that vocab word is just yet, you can look it up. You can ask Google, you can ask Alexa, you can ask Siri, whatever you need to do to figure out what that vocab word is. You need to do that. When you have this assignment on your Schoology, up at the top of your screen, you're going to have a word that says submit document. You need to submit this so Ms. Chesbrough and I can grade it for you. If you have questions, let us know.